Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from TalentUpskill Class 6 English Version Math Exercise 2.3. Question number 27. 6 workers can reap crops of a field in 28 days. In how many days will 24 workers reap the crop? In how many days? 6 workers can reap crops in 28 days. Therefore, we are doing by unitary method. So we find out unit value. Therefore, one worker can reap crops. Same work, when only one worker do, the days will increase. So we multiply by 6. 28 multiply 6 days. Better we write the unit days. Therefore, 24 workers. When 24 workers can reap crops in, if workers increase, the number of days will decrease. So we divide by 24. 28 multiply 6 by 24 days equals to, if we simplify, divide both by 6, this will be 4. Again divide both by 4, this will be 7, this will be 1. So it is 7 days. Question number 28. 2 men can do the same amount of work that 3 boys can do. So 2 men's work equals to 3 boys' work. So we can write 2 men's work equals to 3 boys' work. Therefore, here they say 4 men and 10 boys together works in 21 days. 4 men and 10 boys. So how many boys equivalent to 4 men? Let's find out. 4 men, 4 men's work equals to 2 multiply 2 men's work equals to, now we know 2 men's means 3 boys work. So 2 multiply 3 boys work equals to 6 boys work. So 4 men's work means 6 boys work. 4 men and 10 boys together, when they work, they finish in 21 days. So 4 men or 4 men's work and 10 boys work. If we convert these to boys work, then it will be, we know 4 men's means 6 boys. So 6 boys work plus 10 boys work. 16 boys work. Now we have to find out in how many days 6 men and 15 boys can do the work. So again 6 men and 15 boys work equals to, if we convert this to boys work, it will be 3 multiply 2 men, 2 men's work plus 15 boys work. 2 men's work means 3 boys work. So we can write 3 multiply 3 boys work plus 15 boys work equals to 3 multiply 3 means 9 and 15 means 24. 24 boys work. As we found out, 4 men's work and 10 boys' work means 16 boys' work. Again, 6 men and 15 boys' work means 24 boys' work. As per question, 16 boys can do the work in 21 days. 16 boys can do the work in 21 days. Therefore, one boy can do the work. It will increase because boys number is less, so days will increase. So 21 multiply 16 days. Therefore, 24 boys can do the work in, now number of boys increase, so days will decrease. So 21 multiplies 16 divided by 24 days. Simplify and divide both by 3. This is 7. This is 8. Again divide both by 8. This will be 2. This will be 1. So 7 multiplied 2 is 14, equals to 14 days. And that is the answer. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment box. Thank you.